So, after the people got the permission to look into the boat of that Muslim gentleman, the trader, they must have come walking down, because behind me is the village of Surla where we had just gone. When they came here, possibly the boat of that gentleman may have been parked anywhere here or down this particular river. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this river comes down from the Arabian Sea and goes up, right up to Savoi. When they came here, they had a very interesting thing that happened on board. Now, you know that the gentleman had said that they are Muslims, and possibly that was the thing that made him think that there is going to be no idol, because in the Muslim faith, they do not do idol worship. So when these people went and searched on board that ship, they didn't find anything. But it so happened that when they were getting down, it is said that one of them noticed that there was a huge black stone, this big, this wide, at the front of the boat. So the owner, the trader who had come with them, they asked him, he says, "What is this?" It was a black stone. He told them that being a trader and having a load in his ship, when he sold the load, the front of the ship used to come up, and to keep it down when they were sailing, they had this as a counterweight. So they asked him, "Can we see what it is? Can we turn it and see?" So he said, "Go ahead." And when they turned, they got a shock of their life. On the face of that stone, there was carvings of Vishnu. Now, here, I have already told you the story. The fact remains that Vishnu is shown always in water, in very cool places. So the next hurdle that the people had was removing that and keeping it. It was quite huge, quite heavy, in a place with water. So what they did, they came to since they had come to this place, and Savoi, where the actual temple today, where it is just over this hill, they removed it, created a pond for him, and kept the idol over here. This area is called as the Pirachi Peth. Let's go down and see what this area where the idol was possibly kept inside is called as. Come on. So now I'm just walking down this traditional pathway and a beautiful coconut grove over here. Lovely ways of crossing these small pathways. And I have come to this place where I find a lot of things that have been carved out into the rock. But what is very interesting is that there is a nice place that has been carved out into the rock with water inside, and there is a small little shrine. But what I have done is, rather than me telling you, I have asked some of my friends from here, from Savoi, Verem. By the way, this is my village, just for your information. I have asked them to come here and tell us what this place is and what that thing is. Let's go and meet them. Come on. Hello, कशे आसात? Very good. Very nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are my good friends from here, from Savoi, and this gentleman that you see, his name is Purimal, and I'm not sure whether you know him, but I'm sure that you know him. Why? How? He makes some of the best trophies of acrylic, one of the best. Possibly you may have got a trophy from him or made by him. Purimal Bab, welcome to my program My Goem. Purimal Bab, आमकां एक सांग, आमी हांगा जे ह्या जाग्याचेर आयल्या त्या जाग्याक कितें म्हणटात?
पिराची पेठ.
हाका पिराची पेठ म्हणटात.
हय, हय.
आनी हांगा न्ही आमी येतकच आमकां एक हांगा घुमटी दिसली आनी एक हांगा जागो दिसलो जो
तळें आसा,
ताका
बारीकशें.
सपणां आसा हय कितें तें मागीर कित्याक केलो आसतलो तो
हे पयलीं जेन्ना ते पाशाण हितूनच्यान आयिल्ले आपल्या होडींच्यान
हय
तेन्ना ते हांगा देंवोन घेतलेले
हां
गांवच्या लोकांनी.
ओके
आनी मागीर ताका उदकाचें हें जाय म्हणून थंय देवूळ बांदपाची तयारी करी पर्यंत ते पाशाण हांगासर हे तळयेन दवरलेले.
Okay, so in other words, what he told us was that that big piece of marble or granite, which was taken down from the boat till the new temple was constructed, they kept it here in this place, in this carved thing. आणि हांगा जी फाटल्यान घुमटी आसा ती ताकाच लागून बांदिल्ली.
हय ती एक्चुली कशें आशिल्लें की त्या होडी चलयणारो जो आशिल्लो
हय, हय.
तेजें स्मारक म्हणून किंवा तेजी आठवण म्हणून कदाचित ते बांदलेली आसतली.
ओके आणि हो जो आशिल्लो जो व्हडयेचो ओनर तो मुस्लीम आशिल्लो
मुस्लीम आशिल्लो.
मुस्लीम सुल्ला गांवांतलो
हय म्हणून ताका पिराची पेट म्हणटात.
म्हणून ताका पिराची पेट म्हणटात.
हय हय.
Okay, now you know why it is called as Pirachi Peth. And before we go and see the actual marble that was found, let me say a big thank you to all of them for helping us. Thank you.